L&T Finance Q3 results 2026, record 760 crore रुपए profit and retail momentum. L&T Finance has just rewritten its record books with the release of its Q3 FY26 financial results. The company posted a core net profit of 760 crore rupees, a massive 21% jump over the same quarter last year. This performance proves that the Lakshya 2026 strategy is not just on track but is actually exceeding expectations. Even after setting aside a one-time provision for the new labor codes, the reported profit stood firm at 739 crore rupees. The real headline, however, is the explosive growth in the retail segment. Retail disbursements soared by 49% to reach 22,701 crore rupees in just 3 months. This surge has pushed the total retail loan book to a staggering 1.11 lakh rupees crore. What's even more remarkable is the retailization level. 98% of the bank's total assets are now retail focused, marking the final stage of its transition away from risky wholesale lending. One of the main engines behind this growth is the company's aggressive adoption of artificial intelligence. Their proprietary underwriting engine, Project Cyclops, is now fully live for segments like two-wheelers, farm equipment, and SME loans. By automating credit decisions, LTF has managed to scale its operations rapidly while keeping a tight grip on risk. Additionally, Project Nostradamus, an AI-driven portfolio monitor, has helped the company maintain a collection efficiency of 99.7%. Looking at individual business lines, personal loans witnessed a phenomenal 118% growth in disbursements, largely driven by digital partnerships with giants like Google Pay and Amazon Pay. The two-wheeler and farmer finance segments also reached all-time highs, supported by a strong monsoon and the implementation of GST 2.0. Meanwhile, the newly launched gold loan business is scaling up fast, contributing over 1,400 crore rupees to this quarter's disbursements. Financially, the company is more efficient than ever. Their net interest margin, NIM, plus fees improved to 10.41%, aided by a record low borrowing cost of 7.25%. This ability to raise funds cheaply while lending in high-yield retail segments is a major competitive advantage. Asset quality also remains stellar, with net NPAs falling to just 0.92%, showing that the rapid growth is coming from high-quality, reliable borrowers. Digital transformation is evident in their customer reach as well. The Planet app has now surpassed 2.20 crore downloads, facilitating loans worth over 24,100 crore rupees. This tech-heavy model has allowed L&T Finance to achieve a return on assets (ROA) of 2.31%, very close to their long-term target of 3%. As we approach the 2026 Union Budget, L&T Finance is positioned as a key beneficiary of the government's push for rural consumption and digital finance. With the stock recently hitting 52-week highs, investors are clearly cheering the company's evolution into a digital-first retail powerhouse. Managing Director Sudipta Roy summed it up well. The bank is now a tech-first, risk-first financier ready to lead the NBFC space.